Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka office jong ka district Ayush Society West Jaintia Hills, Jowai. Ha ka khat riu trik uyayong kala Rakhe ya ka World Homoeopathy Day ha ka jingyalang balalong ha ka district library auditorium Mintong Jowai. Halor ka phang Homoeopathy for Sustainable Health. Ka kong bi bla ka additional deputy commissioner ka West Jaintia Hills district kalalong kum ka kongsan ha ka jingadon lang ka Dr. H.J. Urya DNO Quality but ka Patient Safety ka West Jaintia Hills District kum ka simbot kongsan. Ya kani kasngi la Rakhe kum ka dak ka jingken mau burom ya kasngi kha jong u Dr. Samuel Ha Neman ubade u nonglap ya ka homeopathy ka we nakilat ban ai jing sumar lingba ki dawai dashin ki bayo na kamaryang. Ka kong bi bla kum ka kongsan ha ka jingkren kala ai kuble ya ka jing tre shitom jong ki nongtre ka tanat ka kot ka khya hak ban kantiyo ya kajing sumar homeopathy bad kajing shakri shakipad ba ka Dr. Helen kalapin pao ya kajing no sinyang jong kajing sumar Ayush ha ka district kalapin pao babaro kidan laipu saungot ki Dr. Ayush ki bashakri minta ha ka ba ki babun ki day na ka Ayurveda ringkat ka yoga naturopathy bad ka homeopathy kalakdoru ba ki unani bad ka sidha kimpat don minta hapo ka district Shwa kanila yo ya kajingkren na ka Dr. Boni T. Hing ka DNO Ayush uba Bankiw B. Karsantiw u State Program Manager National Ayush Mission Meghalaya Dr. Wanlambha Suchen Ayush MO Shangpung PHC Dr. Damika Rambay Ayush MO Nangba PHC Dr. Treyorika Pasa Ayush MO JCH Yalong Dr. Peterson L. Lamare Ayush MO Prengshakha PHC Harin kajingalang ka kongsan kala sam khusnam shagi khna kiba job ha kajinga kop tho esi
Second prize we have Miss Dala Antini. Third prize is Mr. Aryan P. Kumar. Thank you, Madam. I would like to call upon the President Dabo Shwa Kapang, Miss Bante Daka Sharma.
Types of medicine, all the type of alternative medicines that is available. We may take, we may not take. At the moment when one of the speakers had said, please tell who knows what homeopathy is. Many students don't know. So therefore, when we go now, when they ask, do you know about homeopathy, will you say no or yes? Yes. So therefore, such program is for us to understand there are many things, there are many alternative medicines that we can avail to take not only when we are sick, but also to help maintain our health and wellness. Knowledge, so that in the future, because we have many students here, you might be homeopathic doctors or Ayush doctors from any of those 5 types of medicine practices. So this is a way and an opportunity for the students also to be aware that there is not only one type of medicine, but there are many types. And this is also being recognized by the government. So we have, I think, in the PHC, CHCs also, the different Ayush doctors, and I think they are doing a wonderful job. So with this, I congratulate all the doctors. I also hope that you will continue your hard work, your dedication, and also to help bring what we celebrate today as a holistic and sustainable mode of for homeopathy and for healthcare in all.
And patient safety. The 5S. I always tell everybody about the 5S wherever I go. These 5S have changed my outlook on my practice of medicine and health care as a whole. The first S, anybody can guess? Sort. The first S is sort. Sort, I have translated it into Penar for the Ashas and Anganwadis. Sort in Penar is jade. Sort is jade. Then the second S, set in order. Set in order. Translated in Penar. Please, school children, translate. Set in order. I want you to translate. Because I heard everybody talking in Penar and translated, I want you to translate. Set in order, what does it mean? They were renti. Set in order. Ma penbaik renti. Then, third S. Shine. Shine, I think all of you know. Right? Penterciak. Ma? Shine. Penterciak. The fourth S, standardized. Standardized. And the fifth S is sustain.